Hey, so you might ask where I'm at right now. I wish I knew. It's a place called Olustee National Scenic Trail. It's in Olustee. There's a battlefield here. You might want to know why I'm here on this 28-degree freezing Florida day. Well, there's a little feisty 5-foot-something woman that told me you need to get up and go. Why? Well, besides because she said so, because I'm looking for the Red-Cockaded Woodpecker. It is an endangered species, and they say you can find them here. So I'm off on my hike. Get back with you when I find one. Ooh, Lordy, 28 degrees is no joke. I feel sorry for y'all up north that go lower than that. But if you think that we just walk aimlessly through the woods in hopes we find something, honestly, it's kind of like that, but not always like that. When you know what type of environment that the bird you're looking for likes, you tend to go towards that. And they make it a little easier for you here because the Red-Cockaded Woodpecker likes a certain type of mature pine, and it usually will have like white sap running down it. But if that doesn't help, if you don't see that, look for the trees that have a band on them. That usually is a telltale sign that this is where you might, and I use the word might because I haven't seen anything, you might find a Red-Cockaded woodpecker. And there's several trees in here that have that white band, excuse me. And now I guess it's just a waiting game. See how long I can handle the cold. I've got about 25 trees in this area that I'm standing in right now, so I'll keep listening for the call and try to stay warm. 5-foot-something woman, you are going to get it. So I went into stealth mode and managed to get close enough to positively ID him. It is a pileated woodpecker, and he's going to town on this tree over here. There's actually a couple of them, one over to the left. I can't see him right now, but I can hear him. Patience paid off. There he is. The endangered Red-Cockaded woodpecker. And right over here next to him, the pileated.